The last few years are mostly about smartwatches. Stylish and elegant designs are rarely to be seen, especially from tech companies, but here is one when style meets smart functions. That's the Mijia Quartz watch. Before we carry on, this is not a true smartwatch. Think of it as a great-looking wristwatch with some smart functions and decent battery life. It is some sort of a hybrid, and I feel that it may be a model that a lot of you will like. The package is, as usually prepared by Mijia, excellent. Slim, good-looking. Apparently we're unboxing the white version with the blue leather strap. Before getting my hands on this one, I've seen numerous ads and reviews of the black one. There also is a grey version, and from all the three, I totally love the look of the white version. I think it is stylish, elegant, and beautiful. Apparently it is a great addition to wearing a suit and underlining elegance in a fashionable and techy way. The 40mm size is suitable for big and small wrists. Note that if you like bulky watches, this one certainly isn't, and it is rather thin. What you will totally enjoy is the feel of the strap. I know this won't be appreciated by animal rights activists, but it is worth mentioning Italian imported top layer cowhide is the material used, and it outperforms anything I've tested and felt on my skin with other smartwatches by far. The top layers on the front and back of the strap is specially treated for comfort and breathability. It feels like Xiaomi has put much more focus on design than on anything else about this one. On top of it, if you don't feel right about wearing genuine leather strap, it is replaceable with quick release function. For this design and materials, I'd easily give 10 out of 10. It is so close to perfection for the price you pay. Let's now check on the other sides. Everything but the design. The glass is mineral coated, anti-fingerprint and anti-reflective film on top with 93% light transmittance. The mineral coating is supposed to be better than regular tempered glass, and it may show scratch resistance close to the one of the sapphire coatings. On the bottom, we find the 3116L stainless steel. The manufacturing process is quite complex and is meant to increase the toughness. Each one of the watches is undergoing factory inspection, and you can expect a reliable device. 30-meter waterproof and dust-proof with remarkable battery life. There aren't many smart devices that can offer 6 months without recharging. The battery is replaceable, the CR2430 type, among the largest of its class, and the replacement procedure is not too difficult. Even here, the Mijia design team has been thoughtful. The way you remove the bottom cover will perhaps lead to scratches, but even if that happens, they are conveniently hidden by the strap because of their positioning. If we need to discuss the smartness, the functions are just a few: auto timing, step count, world time, interval reminding, and call reminder functions. The step counter actually shows its current value on the main display, where it has a dedicated section. The time and the steps can be viewed at any time, well, except when it's dark. And this is one of the very few downsides. There is no backlight. And although the sections are reflective and visible in low light, if it is total darkness, there's a good chance you wouldn't be able to count on the watch. Besides working as a pedometer, the app can provide a deeper analysis and give you the estimation about calories burned, steps history. It can even remind you that you have to move in case it detects that you're not in motion for a certain amount of time. And for those of you that need some more motivation, there are different points and medals, perhaps an idea inspired by the Garmin's app. Surprisingly, there even is a feature to remind you about missed calls, again via the app. It will keep track of the last 10 calls, I'm not sure how useful that is, but since it is there, likely people will find a smart way using it. I mentioned the app many times, and if you use other Mijia products, you certainly recognize Mi Home, the same app that is used for controlling Year Light, the Mijia Action Cam, the Roborock vacuum cleaner, even the M365 scooter. For Android users, there's a recommendation I have. Make sure to select the China mainland server from the settings, as otherwise you won't be able to discover the watch. I have tested every other available server and none of them let the discovery happen. Because each of Xiaomi's servers are storing your data locally and not replicating it to the others, you may have to re-add some of your devices if they don't show on the list after you switch to another server. A short summary at the end. I'm not sure if we're supposed to call this a smart watch. Feels like a very stylish smart band with less functions than a smart band, but remarkable design, outstanding battery life, and extremely good quality, especially at this price point. Xiaomi have certainly squeezed the maximum for about $70, which is the current price in September 2018. I am well aware this is a tech channel, but it is still worth asking you, do you wear a smart device or a traditional wristwatch? I will be curious to see about that in the comments below the video. To get notified about more cool tech inspections, make sure to be subscribed. That's been all for this episode, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Bye!